What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. We're back at the auction today, and I am in a really clean, nice serviced Hyundai dealership, man. This thing's nice. This is a Genesis 5.0 R-Spec. I've driven the Genesis before. I've driven mostly V6s, and I've driven the 4.6 V8, but I have never run across a 5-liter R-Spec. These are a little unusual. And this one is extraordinarily clean. Just really, really clean and in nice shape. Thought we'd take her for a little drive. I'm trying to pick out a couple of cars for tomorrow to bid on. Mostly vans I'm interested in. Got a couple of caravans. There's one of them sitting right there. Or Town and Country. I've got a Honda van I'm going to look at. But I saw this and saw how freaking clean it was. And just thought, man, this is really nice. It only has 122,000 miles. It's got a cracked dash around where the passenger airbag would deploy. I guess the sun got to it, but the rest of the dash and interior is amazingly clean. I mean, just spotless, really. But let's see what this 5-liter is all about. I got a feeling it'll boogie. Oh my God. Holy cow. Yeah. Ooh. And quiet. And smooth. Ooh, man, what a car. Wow. Wow. That was something right there, man. Yeah, we got new Cooper tires on it. Got a little bump right here. Man, that stinks because it looks really good. Look how clean this back is. Man, got the heated seats. God, this rear seat looks like it's never been sat in. We got the Lexicon stereo. Man, look how clean this thing is. And I mean, really? What year is this thing? It's 2013. So 10 years old. Just does not look it. Looks like someone did a little experimenting painting a wheel. That would have to be undone immediately. Got a little cracking here on the front bumper. Ooh. Wow. So smooth. Listen how smooth and quiet that is. Man, that's a powerful motor right there. Yeah, I like this. Of course, it's got all the stuff. Let's see, that looks like a power. Yep, power rear headrest. I like my rear sunshades. That's pretty cool. We got a heated and cooled seat for the driver's side, but just heat for the passenger. Some pretty low grade tech here, but not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad to be 10 years old. I bet that Lexicon stereo sounds good. If I can get it to make any noise. Let's go to home, FM. There we go.
This is available now at livenation.com.
Hey, it's Otis with Moot, Kimmy, and Otis. Check this out. With Boost Infinite, you can get the latest iPhone every year.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Yeah, sounds really good. Yeah, I like this car. Tell me what you guys think. I mean, this thing's beautiful, and man, has it got a... It's got a jumpy throttle. Oh, what a beautiful car. Like, comment, subscribe. Ooh. And we'll see you next time. Peace.